Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.92. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of 44.16%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.08% since its designation as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $46.26 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, and it may signal the beginning of a shift in trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 51.12% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 65.55% to a decline of 49.81%. In the longer term, our analysis over the past 12 months suggests a projected change of 6.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 7.88% and an increase of 124.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $41.51 and $101.04. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline: TQQQ ETF price up more than 7.64% on Tuesday. The TQQQ ETF price gained 7.64% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, rising from $41.86 to $45.06. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.68%, with a day low of $43.10 and a day high of $45.98. The price has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a 9.24% gain over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 121 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.45 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79. while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 51.96%, or $48.73, below the 52-week high, and 72.32%, or $117.73, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $162.79. Recent developments surrounding the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, known as TQQQ, highlight its current market position and potential future trajectory. A significant point of discussion is the notable decline in TQQQ's valuation amid broader market turmoil, which presents a buying opportunity for investors eyeing the tech sector's recovery. Long-term investors are particularly focused on TQQQ's heavy investment in the Magnificent Seven stocks, including giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, which are expected to benefit from ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence. Recent data from TSMC indicates impressive year-over-year gains, underscoring the robust demand for AI technology, which could fuel TQQQ's performance in the coming months. The overall market sentiment suggests that, despite current volatility, funds like TQQQ may soon see a resurgence. Analysts have noted that the ongoing correction could be nearing its end, driven by renewed inflows into exchange-traded funds. While short-term volatility remains a risk, the potential for significant gains in the tech sector offers a compelling case for long-term investment in TQQQ. As the market grapples with tariff impacts and economic fluctuations, TQQ's performance will depend on the strength of the underlying technology sector and investor sentiment surrounding artificial intelligence. As it stands, TQQQ is on the radar for investors looking to capitalize on tech-driven growth amid a challenging market landscape. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative indicators have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The TQQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels of $46.48 and $56.33. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and since then, it has experienced a decline of 14.35%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average, convergence-divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $41.25 and $41.09. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $41.25. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $41.09 and $38.90. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this exchange-traded fund is considered to be a very high risk. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $2.88 between its high and low, which equates to 6.68%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has recorded a daily average volatility of 6.96%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQ is at $46.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $41.25. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment for this exchange-traded fund is negative, and a stop loss has not been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, TQQQ shows several negative signals and is situated within a wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we expect TQQQ to open lower by approximately 34 cents and begin trading at $44.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.